Between 1941 and 1945, 6 million Jews were murdered by the Nazi regime. A small percentage of Jews survived the Holocaust. Irving Roth is one of those survivors. He recently led a group of students through a Holocaust remembrance tour in Poland.
Well, I'm doing this because it is now almost 65 years since the flames of Auschwitz were extinguished. Yet I want to make sure that the world, not just in the world in general, but specifically individual human beings, students, understand what took place. It's a concrete structure, and if you look at it, those are insulating stanchions. But they are insulators because the barbed wire itself, look at how close they are to each other. And each one of those carries 5,000 volts. This was not a virtual simulation.